I'm Jon Teller. I'm a trial attorney at the Wilshire Law Firm. This case involved a vehicle collision with an underinsured driver, and our client was a passenger in a Lyft vehicle. The Lyft driver was making a left-hand turn, and another vehicle struck the Lyft vehicle. Our client in this case was not wearing a seatbelt at the time of the vehicle collision, and the insurance company attempted to argue that if he was wearing his seatbelt, he would have not suffered the injuries that we were alleging. A cervical injury to his neck, resulting in a 1-level fusion, and a tear to his shoulder, resulting in an arthroscopy surgery to his shoulder. It was going to be difficult to just talk and explain it verbally how the lack of seatbelt really was irrelevant to this case. We asked DK Global to create an animation for us depicting the vehicle collision with a seatbelt and without a seatbelt to show the judge how the mechanics of the injury and what happened to our client in the backseat of that Lyft would be almost identical if our client was wearing the seatbelt or was not wearing a seatbelt. One of the challenges with this case, and with many cases out there, is the defense attorneys sometimes tell you what their theory is going to be, but don't actually disclose what their experts are truly going to say at the end of the day at deposition and or trial or arbitration. In this case, the defense wouldn't produce their biomechanic expert until a day or two before the arbitration. Once we finally heard the defense expert's position on the case, we then had to get in touch with DK Global and tell them what the defense was trying to allege. DK Global was kind enough to help us all the way through up until the arbitration to create the animation and edit the animation based on these last-minute things that the defense was attempting to argue through their expert. With the help of DK Global, we secured an award of $824,000. DK Global is always there to answer the phone or answer emails. They are there and understand what it means to put a presentation on for a judge or a jury.